So this is for charging and updating the firmware on the Woojer Vest 3. So for charging the Woojer Vest 3, you will need to use the included charger and the plug from the box, because it does not charge fully with another, like the white plug that you might have lying around at your house. So this is it, the correct plug, and use the charger. And again, you have to charge at the back of the vest. See, that's now it's charging, because I know the previous video I charged it with a white plug because I didn't see the black one. But use that correct charger, and what happens is once you update the firmware, so like the app or the vest, once you've paired your vest with the phone, you will have to update. And then if you're using an incorrect plug for the charger, it does not update. It does not update at all. So basically right now I'm just showing you it's being charged, it's charged fully, and uh, the firmware for the vest is now updated, so it's up to date and then ready to use.